Hi everyone, my name is Jahan Noble. I'm a young filmmaker. I specialize in direction and editing. My main focus is advertising currently, but hopefully I'll move to fiction soon. I've always been really passionate about movies. Growing up, I used to watch tons of films all the time, and it even led to me experimenting with the format, making my own videos, doing some small edits here and there. And I think finally, when I was around 18, I went for a music video shoot to just assist and help out, and it just clicked from there, and it's been snowballing ever since. So, my recommendation to people who are interested in the field would be to experiment, try out your own things. It can be at home, it doesn't have to be something big. Now, we all have cameras on our phones, so you can start there and just keep experimenting and trying things out, and that's the best way to learn. After I realized that filmmaking was my passion, I started getting on set as much as often. I would reach out to people, reach out to cinematographers, producers, and just say, hey, I want to help out with your music video, with ads, with anything. And one very important thing that I did is I ensured that I was always very professional. I answered every phone call, I replied to every message instantly. I never put anything off, I never slacked. And just in the communication over there, I feel like I became someone people could trust with their work, and that really helped me grow. So, looking back now, if there's anything I would change, is I would have done my own personal projects more often. I think in the excitement of big sets, advertising, and all of that, I think I let go of my own personal projects sometimes. And now I know it's very easy to look back and say, oh, I wish I had more confidence, because now I do have that confidence. But it is something I wish I had pushed myself more with, and even if it went badly, I'm sure it would have been a great learning experience. Just to conclude, I feel like the one thing that I would suggest people do is do. Just go out there, shoot, try hard, do what you can, learn from that, and just keep repeating. And the more you work and the more you do, you will have more to show for yourself as a filmmaker, as an artist. And that's what will eventually get you hired or into a master's program or into a filmmaking program in a university.